Hello viewers, welcome to my channel since 360 Investor. Let's take a look at screen of the day in the trader segment today. And these four segments make up our 360 view of the investing process. And before we begin, a quick word about the disclaimer. This channel is not providing financial advice. Please pause, read through this, and then continue. Thank you. Okay, so without much further ado, let's begin the show. So here is the screen of the day today. This is made up of the leading stocks in the leading industries. So picked out the strongest ones across the top 10. And so these are the industries here. And they're related to the sectors that are here. So all of them look fairly good in terms of growth, and with the one exception of this last one, which is in the consumer defensive sector. So let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. And so not in any particular order. So the first one, Tesla's been coming down, but since it's bounced at the beginning of the year, it's actually had quite the rise off the low. And since then, it's just been digesting sideways. Overall trend remains down until Tesla can conclusively show us a clear bull market within its market. Moving on to Apple. Apple has always been kind of the gravitational pull for people wanting to park their money. And even though we do have a downtrend channel, it's sitting right at the top of the channel, and it is fairly close to its all-time high. So Apple has really not given up much. And from here, like the herd is the Apple provide a pullback, and then maybe an opportunity to participate in Apple again. Google, another one that's been in a long downtrend. It's formed a bottoming process, or it looks like a bottoming process, and now it's trying to challenge this downward moving average, as it's now busted through for a couple of weeks. If it holds, then we can see if another new uptrend is going to begin. So it's at a critical point. Nvidia, everybody knows how Nvidia's just exploded. It's more than doubled off the lows here. Apart from this one pause, it's been fairly good moonshot. So anybody picking the lows here would have doubled their money. Microsoft, similar to Apple, another store of value. A lot of stocks have migrated to here. It's also benefiting from the AI process. DraftKings had a big sell-off. Since then, it looks like it's found support and now starting to move up. Nice little consolidation here. So breakout through this would be constructive. So here's our one defensive industry sector stock, which is kind of alcohol and drinks, etc. So it's been moving down, but bottomed in line with the markets in October. Since then, it's a nice move, nice consolidation. And after the consolidation, it has followed through. ATVI. On this one, the news needs to be checked because of this huge jump, and then just the action shows there it might be a buyout candidate, possibly. So question mark ATVI. And then DHI is one of the larger home builders. This one bottomed earlier in the year prior to the October market lows, and since then it's just continuously trended up, and now it's poised to get above this consolidation zone. And last but not least, ANET has been actually quite a strong stock. So again, similar to DHI, bottomed earlier in the year, and from there it's been consistently making higher highs, higher lows, and now we find ourselves with a nice consolidation that is putting together. So a break above this would be constructive. So that's our screen of the day, 10 stocks from the top 10 leading industries. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please review those stocks if any of them are of interest to you, study them a bit deeper. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share with your family, friends. And I will close here. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And goodbye.